I'm Alex. This is Code Along with Alex, and today we're going to multiply a scalar with a vector with a matrix in Rust. So let me start out by creating a new cargo project called multiply a scalar with a vector with a matrix. And let's change into that directory. Cool. So we're going to create a 1D array with the ndr1 method and a 2D array, also known as a matrix, using the ndarray2 or ndarray r2 method. So first, a scalar is multiplied by the vector to get another vector. Then the matrix is multiplied by the new vector with ndarray array2 dot and matrix multiplication is performed using dot, while the asterisk operator performs element-wise multiplication. Cool. In ND array, 1D arrays can be interpreted as either row or column vectors depending on context. If representing the orientation of a vector is important, or if representing the orientation of a vector is important, then a 2D array with one row or one column must be used instead. In this example, we're going to use 1D array on the right hand side, so dot will handle it as a column vector. And today we're going to use ND array, so let's update our cargo.toml file to use the ND array crate. My webcam is directly in the way. So we'll do ND array version 0.15.6. Save the file, open the main.rs. So we'll start out by adding a use statement at the top. Use ND array. And we're going to bring in a couple options. AR1, AR2, and array1. Okay. That's all we have to do for a use statement. Now we can get back to the main function body. So let's bind a variable called scalar. And we'll set the value to 4. Next, we'll bind a variable called a vector using the R1 method. And let's pass some values to generate this one-dimensional array. 1, 2, 3, that's it. Next, let's create a variable called matrix, this time using the R2 method. And we'll pass in some more values. 5, 6. We actually want this to be slightly nested. There we go. You don't have to add this new line here. It's just helpful sometimes. 7, 8, 9. Got that. Beautiful. Okay. Next, let's do another variable called new vector. And we're going to have this be a type array1. And we want to do element-wise multiplication of scalar and vector. Cool. And then let's print out this value. So I'm just going to reuse this println macro and replace hello world with curly brackets and pass in new vector. Okay, a couple more lines, then we're done. And then we'll do new matrix. And for this, we'll do matrix dot and then new vector. And then let's print out this value as well. New matrix. Save the file. Cargo run. Install into array crate. It's doing some thinking. Lots of people are using the internet right now, so it's probably competing for bandwidth. That's all good. We're getting there. It's really thinking tonight. It happens. The internet has been slow lately at times. It's fetching. Oh, there we go. You can see we're almost there. 10 out of the 12. And then you can see the output of our mathematics. 4, 8, 12. And then 128, 200. Awesome. This was a quick tour of multiplying a scalar with a vector with a matrix in Rust using the ND array crate. Hope you got a little out of this. I did. With that, I'm Alex. This is Code Along with Alex, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.